Hello guys, ito yung aming delivery going to Sudbury. Ayan. Pupunta na naman kami ng North. Ayan, inano lang namin yung para sa aming sasakyan. Meron siyang sleepers. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Maliit lang siya na sleepers, pero okay na yan. Para sa akin. Yung amo ko.
Let's see how Angie did with the lights.
Yes. There you go. Okay. Let's see.
It's going to be hard to see because it's not dark, right?
Yeah. One moment. I will turn the light here. Face there. Face there. So I can see it. Because all this light is new. Hopefully it's work. No.
No?
No.
It's a brake light.
No. Nothing work.
No?
No. I know this one is everything fine. How about this one? It's all fine,
Okay,
right?
Okay.
No. I don't think it's work. Guys,
No?
ito yung loob niya. Ayan. Ang loob niya. May plastic pa yan. May plastic pa to. Yung mileage niya, mababa pa. May plastic pa talaga yung upuan. Ito yung loob. Ito yung loob niya. Maliit lang siya. But it's okay. Oh, I can... Yeah, maliit lang siya. Yan, yung loob niya. Maliit lang siya yung higaan niya. But... Ayan. Yan lang siya. Ayan. Ang aming i-deliver sa Sudbury.
Go ahead.
Oh. Ang aking... Yan. Magdi-deliver na naman kami ulit. Umaga na kami makakadating doon. Siguro mga alas 8, alas 7, alas 8, mga ganun. So, ayan.
You go, honey.
Time check. For what? 12:37 in the morning.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta get my other phone up. Get my log.
Yes. I-deliver namin sa Sudbury. Good morning! We are in North already. Yan, may ice, may snow pala. May snow pa dito sa North. Ayan, di pa natutunaw ang mga snow.
6:42.
Yes, time check 6:42 in the morning. So good morning, sunshine. The sun is there. Ang snow. Oh, it's snow. Tignan nyo guys yung snow. Ang ganda oh. Yan ang ano dito sa north. Ayan. Taas na yun. Sudbury. Ayan, malapit na kami sa aming destination. Tan-tan. Dami pang snow. Pero doon sa amin wala na. Kaya ayaw namin mag-deliver pag ano nag-i-Sudbury. Nag-i-snow. What is that kind of stone, baby?
Granite?
Yeah. Nakikita niyo ba yung mga stone na yan? Yung ano na yan, granite yan. Ayun o, ang gaganda o. Granite. Stone.
Stuff they make tombstones out of.
Yeah?
Yeah, you see those red tombstones?
Yeah?
They're beautiful, smooth, green
Yes.
granite.
Ah. So, ito ako, kagigising lang oh, para ako ano, magigising ko lang. So ako nag-drive ng ano, 6 na oras. Yan, magigising ko lang siya. Ito yung trabaho ko pag sumasama ako, natutulog lang. Pero pag uwi, ako naman ang magmamaneho. Bye guys. See you later. Si Haring Araw, oh, ayan, lumabas na. Oh, nagtago ulit. Nagtago ulit. Ayan. Ang Haring Araw. Snow. Snow, snow. Ayan, ang Haring Araw. Yeah, may araw dito. Pero malamig pa sa labas. It's still cold outside. Diyan namin i-deliver Western Star. Ano? Yeah, Western Star. Western Star. Ayun, dyan namin i-deliver. Walang office ngayon, so ano lang namin. Dito sa dami nilang do you have a lot of new trucks?
Well, they got a few.
So it means that they are
Yeah.
ordering also in other company?
No, same company.
Really? Yung snow nila, oh.
Oh, did you take my license plate down already?
Yeah, it's in my bag.
Oh, you're so good. You're so
Bye-bye.
fast, it scares me.
Ang snow nila. There's a lot of snow here. Wow. That's the company. Western Star. There you go. Western Star. Ayan ang mga truck nila. Oh. Pero itong mga deliver na yan, yan. Hindi kami nag-deliver niyan. Ayan. Ano, may order na yan. Order na yan sa kanila. So ngayon mag-a-unhook kami ng aming kalat. And then uuwi na. Ayan ang aking amo. Malamig kasi dito, malamig pa. May snow pa nga, oh. Maraming snow dito.
Honey, you pick up.
Nakadating na kami, guys.
Good
Ayan,
morning.
Yes, good morning. Yan. Nakadating kaming safe. Kaya, pahinga naman ang aking amo. Yan, thank you guys. Bye-bye.